Education Society, redefining excellence.
Hello, my name is Vaishnavi Vagmare from ZIL Polytechnic, Pune. Faculty name Sonali Shirke ma'am. Course name Programming NC. Course code 22226. Our micro project name is Modern Periodic Table in C and its outputs and some information about C language. This is our micro project team. First of all, we have saw the importance of C language. C is highly portable language. Code written is one machine can be moved to other, which is very important and powerful feature. C supports low-level features like bit-level programming and direct access to memory using pointer. Now, history of C. C was evolved from A, LGOL, B, CPL and B. C was developed by Dennis Ritchie at the Bell Laboratories. Dennis Ritchie is in 1972 added new features and concepts like data types. It was developed with the Unix operating system. Some features of C language. C is simple and portable language. It is middle level and structured and rich library, recursions, extensible, fast speed, memory management and pointers. Source code of modern periodic table. Explanation of source coding. Hashtag include studio, hashtag include conio, void main, curly bracket open, int, group number, atomic number, periodic number is different and different elements. Using character and closure shown the elements and using printf shows the title is periodic table. Using printf shows the p block and enter the atomic number scanf, atomic number int period 2, else if atomic number a or b. Printf period 5, else if atomic number a and b, period 6, else at number of in this group. In group number 13, boron family for using increment property if atomic number. Number 14, carbon family. Group number 15, nitrogen family or nicogen or its atomic number. Group number 16, oxygen family. Group number 17, halgon family. All this shown in printf. Group number 18, noble gases. Here is using simple switch case number 13 if atomic number 5. Now start the element name, element symbol and its properties or else atomic number. First boron. Here is aluminium, gallium, indium, thallium, its symbols, properties and atomic numbers. Here use case number 14. Printf, element not in this group, carbon, silicon, germanium, its symbols, properties and its atomic numbers. Elements are thin, lead, its symbols, properties and atomic number. Here is using case number 15 for gases. Printf, element not in this group. Hydrogen, arsenic, phosphorus, antimony, bismuth, its symbols, properties and atomic number is shown by here. Else printf, element not in this group. From case number 16, oxygen, sulfur, cerium, its symbols, properties and atomic numbers. Helium, polonium, fluorine. Here is case number 17 used. Here it shows the printf, highly reactive in natures. Chlorine, bromine, iodine, arsenic, its symbols, properties and atomic number. This element is highly reactive in natures. Else printf, case number 18 is used. And not in this group. Helium, neon, argon, its symbol, properties and atomic numbers. Inert in nature, krypton, hexagon, radon, its symbols, properties and atomic number. This element is inert in nature. Printf, wrong choice entered. Printf, do you want to continue if character go to Z? S. Break gauge. Outputs of modern periodic table in programming C. Output 1. Enter the corresponding number. Step 1. Add new element. Information. Explore. Quit. Output 2. Search by name, symbol, atomic number, atomic weight and its properties. This is example hydrogen. Its symbol H, atomic number 1, atomic weight 008000, atomic property chemical active. Thank you.